Progressive English Learning.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Allie. Wake up now.
You look very sleepy.
Yes, I am very tired.
Come on, wash your face.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sit here and eat.
What is for breakfast?
Bread and eggs today.
I love eggs.
Me too. Smells good.
Eat slowly. Don't rush.
Mom, how is the weather?
It looks sunny today.
Yes, very bright outside.
Good. I like sunny days.
Take your sunglasses.
Yes, I will take them. I am leaving now.
Okay, take care.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Don't be late today.
I won't be late.
Good morning, Allie.
Good morning, Uncle.
Going to work?
Yes, as usual.
Nice weather today.
Yes, very nice weather.
You walk every day?
Yes, I like walking.
It is good for health.
Yes, it feels fresh.
Do you exercise also?
Sometimes, not every day.
Here's the bus stop.
Yes, we wait here.
The bus is late today.
Yes, I am getting bored.
Same here. Long wait.
I hope it comes soon.
Excuse me, is the bus late?
Yes, it is late today.
We're waiting too.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem. You're welcome.
Do you take this bus daily?
Yes, every day to work.
I am new here.
Welcome to this area.
Thank you so much.
The bus is here now.
Yes, let's get in. The bus is very slow.
Yes, traffic is heavy today.
Every day, same problem.
So much noise also.
Yes, city life is busy.
We will reach soon.
Finally, we reached.
Yes, thank you for help.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Bye. See you again.
Bye. See you.
Hey, Allie. Good morning.
Good morning, Ravi.
Hi, Allie. You are late.
Yes, traffic was bad.
Same here. Very slow roads.
At least you are here now.
How was your weekend?
It was nice and relaxing.
What did you do?
I stayed home and watched movies.
Sounds fun and easy.
I went shopping with friends. We have work today.
Yes, I have many tasks.
Same here. Very busy day.
Let's start quickly.
Yes, no more talking now.
Okay, work time. Finally, break time.
Yes, I needed this break.
Let's sit and relax.
I feel better now.
Me too. Much better.
Breaks are important. What will you eat today?
I am very hungry.
Same here. Very hungry.
I want rice and chicken.
That sounds very good.
Yes, let's go eat.
This food looks nice.
Yes, smells very good.
I like this place.
Me too. It is clean.
And food is tasty.
Yes, very tasty. I love spicy food.
I like spicy food too.
I prefer less spice.
Oh, really? Why?
Too much spice hurts me.
Everyone has different tastes.
What do you do in free time?
I watch movies and walk.
I like music and dancing.
I play cricket sometimes.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, hobbies make life fun.
Allie, you only watch movies?
Yes, I am lazy.
Very lazy boy.
No, I walk also.
Okay, we believe you.
That was funny.
Ravi, can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Maybe I can help too.
I don't understand this task.
It is easy. I will show you.
Yes, don't worry.
Thank you, Ravi.
You're welcome, Allie.
Good job, Allie.
Thanks, Sarah.
We are a good team.
Yes, we are.
The elevator is slow.
Yes, very slow.
Quiet today.
Which floor?
3rd floor, please.
Same for me. Hey, nice shirt today.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yes, looks good on you.
Thanks, new shirt.
Good choice.
Very good choice. What are your plans today?
I will go home early.
I may meet a friend.
Sounds nice.
What about you, Sarah?
I will rest at home.
Time to leave now.
Yes, work is done.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Take care.
Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.
Hey, Ali, is that you?
Aman, long time no see.
Who is he, Allie?
He is my old friend.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you going?
I am going home now.
We can walk together.
Yes, let's go together.
That sounds good.
Nice evening today.
Let's stop at this shop.
Yes, I need something.
Me too. Small things.
This shop looks good.
Yes, very clean.
Let's go inside.
Hello, how can I help?
Hello, I need a water bottle.
I want some snacks.
Do you have cold drinks?
Yes, many options here.
Thank you. Show us, please. How much is this bottle?
It is 50 rupees.
Is there a bigger size?
Yes, here is a large one.
Is it cold water?
Yes, it is cold.
These snacks look tasty.
They are very popular.
Which one is best?
This one sells the most.
Okay, I will try this.
Me too. I will take one.
How much total?
100 rupees.
Here is the money.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Come again.
Hello. Are you done?
Yes, you can go now.
Please take your time.
Thank you. Very kind.
No problem at all.
Have a nice evening.
Let's sit in this cafe.
Yes, I feel tired.
This place looks nice.
It is quiet and clean.
Good place to relax.
Yes, very peaceful here.
Hello. What would you like?
I want tea, please.
I will take coffee.
I want a sandwich.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
This coffee is very good.
Tea is nice too.
Sandwich tastes great.
I like this cafe.
Yes, very good place.
We should come again.
My days are very busy.
Same here, always busy.
I try to relax daily.
That is a good habit.
Yes, balance is important.
Life should be simple.
I want to travel soon.
That sounds exciting.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe to the mountains.
I want a short trip too.
Let's plan together.
It is getting late now.
Yes, time to go.
I had a great time.
Me too. Very nice day.
Let's meet again soon.
Yes, take care.
I am finally home.
Welcome back, Allie.
You look very tired.
Yes, long day today.
Come inside and relax.
Yes, I need some rest.
How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Did you meet your friends?
Yes, I met Amin.
That is nice to hear.
Sounds like fun.
How was your day, Mom?
My day was normal.
And you, sister?
I had classes today.
She studied a lot.
Yes, I worked hard.
Dinner is ready now.
I am very hungry.
Me too. Very hungry.
Sit and eat slowly.
Food smells very good.
Yes, looks delicious.
I have work tomorrow.
Wake up early again.
I have school too.
Tomorrow will be busy.
Plan your day well.
Yes, I will try.
Let's watch TV together.
Yes, good idea.
I will join you.
This show is funny.
Yes, very funny.
I like this show.
Let me check my phone.
Any new messages?
Yes, Amin texted me.
What did he say?
He said good night.
That is nice.
I will call him now.
Hello, Allie.
Hi, Amin. Reached home.
Yes, just reached.
Today was a nice day.
Yes, very nice day.
Time to sleep now.
Yes, I am sleepy.
Good night, brother.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep well.
You too. Good night. Today was a good day.
Yes, very good day.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yes, I hope so.
Good night again.
Good night.